Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my oats porridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I went ahead and just place some water in my pot that I'm gonna cook my oats porridge in. I'm gonna go in and add some nutmeg, and this is freshly grated nutmeg that I'm adding. I will also go in and add some salt. I will also add some mixed spice to this. And then I'm gonna add my cinnamon powder and allow this to come to a boil. Alright guys, so let me just explain something. I plan to use vanilla flavoring, but I did not plan to use the actual vanilla flavoring. I plan to use the condensed milk that contains the vanilla flavoring, but last minute I decided, listen, I'm not going to add any condensed milk to this. I'm just going to use the almond milk and the evaporated milk and some sugar to sweeten this. Alright, so I went ahead and add the oats, and then I'm going to add just a small amount of cornmeal, all right, refined cornmeal, and I went ahead and mixed this out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add this. All right, and guys, just to note, you want to ensure that your cornmeal and also the oat is cooked properly, and also you want to continue to just stir because you don't want it to be too lumpy. All right, and you want to turn it down on the lowest heat possible. All right, and just in case it's too thick, you can go in and add just a small amount of water, right? And not the cold water you want to add. You always want to ensure that you add boiling water to your porridge, all right? Just a small amount. So we're just going to allow this to come to a boil, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, alright guys, so this is what my oats porridge looks like. As you can see, it starts to bubble, so I'm just going to allow it to cook some more. Again, you always want to ensure that the oats and the cornmeal cook properly, all right? Alright guys, so now that it's almost finished cooking, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add the almond milk and the evaporated milk to my oats porridge. All right, as I said earlier, I decided last minute I'm not going to use any condensed milk in this one. So once I added the almond milk and the evaporated milk, I'm gonna go ahead and just combine everything together, and I turn my heat down on the lowest heat possible, and I'm gonna allow this to just stay for roughly about another 5 minutes. And I will also go ahead and add my brown sugar, and you don't have to add brown sugar, you can always use granulated sugar. All right, and you want to just sweeten to your taste the way you like it. All right, so after 5 minutes I will come back and show you guys the final product of my oats porridge. All right, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my oats porridge. Really nice, really tasty. You guys can go ahead and try it out. I will leave the recipe in the description box. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to subscribe to my channel and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you later or tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.